Every trader fears a losing trade. But the real danger isn't the loss itself. It's what that loss costs you. Not in dollars, in discipline, in confidence, in time, and in the invisible psychological debt that builds with every bad decision. Because every losing trade leaves a mark, and the best traders in the world know that what happens in your mind after a loss matters far more than what happens in your account. Let's talk about the true cost of every losing trade. When you click buy or sell, it feels like a simple transaction. You risk a small amount. You set a stop loss. You move on. But what really happens is deeper. Each trade creates an emotional imprint. If you win, you reinforce confidence. If you lose, especially if it's unexpected, you plant doubt. That doubt is the seed that grows into hesitation, revenge trading, overconfidence, or fear of pulling the trigger next time. And that's where most traders fail, not on the chart, but in their psychology. Every losing trade has three costs: financial, emotional, and strategic. Let's start with the first, the financial cost. It's the easiest to see. You lose money. But what many don't realize is that a financial loss compounds emotionally. It's not just minus 2% of capital. It's the opportunity cost of that capital not compounding on your next winning trade. It's the loss of leverage, margin, and flexibility. It's the drag on your equity curve that can take weeks to recover, not because of the size of the loss, but because of the time it takes to rebuild. In trading, recovery time is the hidden tax on mistakes. A 50% loss requires a 100% gain just to break even. That's math. But the real pain is what happens while you're trying to earn that back, the emotional tax. Which brings us to the second cost, the emotional cost. Losses change the way your brain processes information. Neuroscience proves it. The amygdala triggers a fight-or-flight response that overrides rational thought. You start seeing setups that aren't there. You chase trades. You double down. And before you know it, you're not trading the market. You're trading your pain. Every losing trade tests your relationship with uncertainty. The more emotionally attached you are to outcomes, the heavier each loss feels. And when you attach your self-worth to your win rate, you turn every red candle into an attack on your identity. That's how traders burn out. Not from money, from meaning. The emotional cost of a losing trade is the erosion of self-trust. It's the moment you stop believing your plan will work. And when that belief cracks, discipline collapses. Now for the third cost, the strategic cost. A losing trade often tempts you to change your system too soon. You start tweaking indicators, adjusting time frames, adding filters, trying to fix what might not be broken. And in doing so, you destroy the consistency that makes any edge work. The best traders in the world don't win because they avoid losses. They win because they know how to lose properly. They treat every losing trade as data, not judgment. They analyze what went wrong, but they never let it define them. Because one trade means nothing in isolation. It's the series that matters. Your long-term edge lives in your ability to survive the short-term chaos. Here's the brutal truth. Losing trades aren't expensive because of money. They're expensive because of reaction. The loss itself is neutral. It's your emotional response that compounds it into disaster. A disciplined trader can lose 10 trades in a row and still come out ahead because their losses are controlled, their psychology intact, and their process unchanged. An undisciplined trader can lose once and spiral because they let one event rewrite their entire story. The difference is mindset. When you take a loss, you have two options. You can let it drain your capital and your confidence. Or you can see it as tuition, the cost of staying in the game long enough to learn. Every loss you survive with discipline strengthens your edge. Every emotional reaction weakens it. That's why trading isn't about perfection. It's about resilience. The true cost of every losing trade isn't what you lose. It's what you fail to learn. Because the markets don't punish mistakes. They punish repetition. Every losing trade is a mirror. It reflects your mindset. Did you follow your plan? Did you manage your risk? Did you exit logically or emotionally? If you treat that mirror with honesty, it becomes your best teacher. If you avoid it, it becomes your worst enemy. So the next time you take a loss, don't ask, how much did I lose? Ask, what did this cost me mentally, strategically, and emotionally. If you can't measure those costs, you can control them. And if you can control them, you can outlast everyone else. Because in the long run, trading isn't about making money. It's about keeping your balance, emotional and financial. That's what separates the traders who fade from the traders who endure. Every loss has a price. But if you pay attention instead of pain, it's a price worth paying. If this helped you see the markets differently, make sure to like, comment, share this video with traders who need to hear it, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mindset behind real trading success.